Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Wine coolers are becoming increasingly popular today and are generally around the same size as a built-in trash compactor. Because of this fact, a lot of people have opted to switch their compactors with a built-in wine cooler.
Take our lead.
Turn the power off to the trash compactor before you begin its removal. Use a screwdriver or ratchet with screwdriver attachment to remove the door to the trash compactor. This will make it easier to pull the trash compactor out without having the door fly out at you.
Take our lead.
Whether you use a trash compactor or a trash can, a bag is a practical way to enclose and carry all those discarded items out for trash pickup. The bags designed for compactors or everyday trash collection vary, largely due to the extreme force applied by a compactor, requiring its own special bag.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You have two options for making use of this space this way. Either install a 24-inch wide wine fridge, making use of the electrical connection for the dishwasher, or add a wine rack. If you do choose a wine rack, set it back slightly from the fronts of the surrounding cabinets.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Make fewer trips to the trash can, and help the environment by installing a trash compactor in your kitchen. You'll also reduce the volume of household waste. Using a trash compactor can lower transportation costs and reduce the amount of space used in landfills.
Take our lead.
Because most trash compactors are freestanding, when you remove them, there's no cabinet base and you're looking down at the floor covering. To properly fill the void, make a small toe kick base just like your existing cabinets. The toe kick is the 3 by 3 inch notch around the perimeter of the cabinets at the bottom.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.